Times Now has also spoken to around DCP who was in charge of the area, and thereafter he confirmed, rather, when it comes to this incident that has taken place, the grandfather of the minor has been arrested. This is the big Times Now breaking that we are getting right now. So Rakesh, the minor is in observation home. His father has been arrested. Now his grandfather too of the minor has been arrested by the Pune police.
Yes, it's a big development that the grandfather, Mr. Surendra Kumar Agarwal, is arrested in this case by the Pune Crime Branch. He was arrested today in the early morning, and now he will be produced before the court, where the police, the crime branch, will be seeking his remand. It is alleged that the Surendra Kumar and the family tried to kidnap and kidnap the driver. And they also forced him to take the blame, and that is the case of destruction of evidence. And so that is the case under section 201 of the IPC, and there are some other sections are also added. However, the clarity about the sections is yet to come from the Pune Crime Branch, but they have confirmed that the arrest is made in this case, and now he will be produced before the court. And the arrest comes after the testimony of the driver, whose statement was recorded earlier by the Pune Crime Branch.
Right. So what happened when the questioning first happened of the grandfather in this case? Because he came out and gave a reaction, Rakesh, saying that we are cooperating with the police, the law enforcement agencies. How is the grandfather said to be involved in this case? Because even when it comes to the bail conditions first that were put up for the minor, it said that it was a reassurance on part of the grandfather that he was being let go.
So there are two cases. One is about the rash driving, drunk and drive case, where the minor is accused. Second case is about the Juvenile Act, where the parents allowed him to drive the car. So that is a different case. Now, in this case, the grandfather is accused that first he handed over the keys to the juvenile, knowing that he doesn't have the driving license. And secondly, after the accident, he tried to influence the witness, and he tried to confront the driver, and he forced him to take on the blame and take on the responsibility that he was behind the wheels, and somehow he conspired to save the actual accused, who is the minor. So on these allegations, after the investigation, the Pune Crime Branch had recorded the statement of the driver Gangaram Tiwari, and only after his statement now this arrest is made.
All right. We also listened into the police's version exactly what had happened that fateful night when Ashwini and Anish were killed in that accident. And rather, when it comes to the police's duty to rather relay the information to their seniors, that apparently hadn't happened, an action that has also been initiated on them. Let's listen into the police's reaction.
सर, आप उस दिन नाइट राउंड में थे, खाली क्वेश्चन जानना है। क्या ये बात सही कि आपको जानकारी नहीं मिली?
सर, जस्ट अ मिनट।
क्या वायरलेस कंट्रोल में कॉल नहीं किया तो आपको जानकारी नहीं मिली थी? बात सच?
हाँ, मुझे उस टाइम जानकारी नहीं मिली।
आप नाइट राउंड में थे? संडे को?
यस यस।
तो जानकारी सीनियर पीआई ने दी नहीं?
हाँ, उस टाइम नहीं थी। आई वाज बिजी। खड़क में एक फायरिंग का कुछ इशू हुआ था, तो आई वाज ओवर देयर।
नॉर्मली दिया जाना चाहिए, ऐसा आपको लगता है कि वायरलेस
नॉर्मली देनी चाहिए?
Right. Rakesh, चूक कहाँ हुई? Where was the lapse first reported?
See, the first lapse was reported at this juncture when the accident happened. उसके बाद पुलिस जैसे वहां पर पहुंचती है, एक इंस्पेक्टर, एक API, they were supposed to make a call to the control room first and inform their seniors and the entire police, Pune police force, that such an accident has happened, and they are taking the accused to the police station, and they are taking the victims to the hospital. But they did not do that, and not only for the next couple of hours, but in fact the case got registered at about 8:30 in the morning. Accident happened at 2:30. So imagine there was a gap of 6 hours when the actual crime was reported to the seniors. Not just that, in fact, the sources are also telling us that it is a standard operating procedure that the accused should have been taken to for the medical checkup first, because they were beaten by the public, and also at the same time their blood test or their breath analyzer test could have also be taken, but that was also not done.
When it comes to questions being raised on those blood samples as well, the first blood sample, after how much time it was taken, then the second blood sample, it was being said that it was sent across to 2 different hospitals for further investigation. Rakesh, please just stay on with us as we were talking about the grandfather in this case, because this is coming across as a big development that he too now has been placed under arrest. While he was asked and taken to police for questioning for the first time, he came out to say that they were cooperating with the agencies.
We are fully cooperating to the investigation of the police, Pune police, who is one of the best in India. and they're doing their job very perfectly, very precisely.
आई विटनेस को आप लोगों ने मैनेज करने की कोशिश की थी, ऐसा भी आगे
सही बात है सर। आई विटनेस को आपने पैसे के दम पे मैनेज किया है सर।
और
डराया धमकाया ऐसा कुछ था सर?
सब गलत है, सब गलत है।
सर, आपका छोटा राजन के साथ संबंध है, वो भी
That is
आरोप लगा-
irrelevant here.
Right, Dr. Vikram Singh is with us, sir. Good morning to you. Back to back, we are looking at arrests that have now been taken on part of Pune police. In fact, action that has been also initiated against their own officials. There were several lapses and loopholes that were reported, especially when it comes to the people or the constables on ground duty at the night. They did not relay the information to their seniors, sir. How big do you believe is the lapses?
Good morning. I'm so happy the Times now has been able to do what the police did not do in the first go. The lapses on the police, is it a wake-up call? No. I think it is carelessness and corruption both rolled into one, that they did not relay the message in time. The father and the grandfather arrested after a lapse. This kind of dragging your feet on sensitive and important matters, it wasn't rocket science that you should have arrested them in the first go, because they were willing accessories to the crime. Willing accessories to the crime and facilitated also the delay in the blood sampling, and also trying to impact and intimidate the eyewitnesses, trying to doctor the investigation and adversely impact and influence the investigation. What more evidence is there for a person charged with criminal conspiracy? In any case, the grandfather and father are serial offenders. My congratulations to you and your channel for bringing out the light even before the local authorities woke up. But for the fact that you raised a storm, this would not have happened, and the grandfather and the father are those who have arrived and have a satisfaction and perhaps an illusion that they can buy out the system. Congratulations, but this should have come much earlier. It came after much reluctance and dragging their feet. But they should be subjected to narco analysis, polygraph tests, and thorough interrogation by professionals. And
right. Dr. Singh, this is another case that we are talking about as far as the grandfather of the minor that has been arrested, of being in the know that possibly the minor is in an inebriated state and not in a state to drive the car. He still was given that kind of permission. Also, one of the occupants is believed to be the driver. What is being said that there was an attempt to shift the blame on him to give out a testimony saying that he was the one who was behind the wheels. There have been several such kind of versions, Dr. Singh, that have now been coming to light. We are told that this is another case where the grandfather has now been booked.
Absolutely, and it should be. And it was bad enough that they tried to water down the evidence, and it is worse still that you want the driver to take up the responsibility, as it happened and alleged in the case of Salman Khan. Those who are so wealthy and have deep pockets think that they can buy out the judicial system, they can buy out the witnesses, they can plant witnesses, but this is not going to happen because of the constant digging by the media, the constant intervention by the media. And much as some corrupt officers would have wanted, they are in eyeball deep in trouble now.
Right. Thank you very much, Dr. Singh. Appreciate you joining us right now. सुरेश कोष्टा जी हमारे साथ जुड़ गए हैं. सुरेश जी, अब बताया जा रहा है कि जो नाबालिग के जो दादा है, उन्हें भी अब गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया है पुणे पुलिस की तरफ से.
अच्छा,
जानकारी अभी मिल रही है सर.
हाँ,
क्या कहेंगे आप सुरेश जी, क्योंकि अब पिता भी अब सलाखों के पीछे, अब दादा को भी गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया है.
तो मैडम ऐसा है कि आदमी जैसे कर्म करता है वो क्या सोचता है कि भगवान की लाठी जो है ना उसमें क्या है, आवाज नहीं होती है, वो तो एक ना एक दिन भुगतना ही पड़ता है. क्योंकि आप किसी गरीब को मारेंगे, किसी गरीब को कुचलेंगे, तो कभी ना कभी तो किसी चीज की सीमा होती है. जब सीमा समाप्त होती, घड़ा भर गया तो वो तो फूटेगा ही.
जी, अब सुरेश जी, अभी खबर ये आ रही है कि गिरफ्तारी एक दूसरे मामले में हुई है, जहां तक अगर ड्राइवर को लेकर बताया जा रहा है कि उसके ऊपर डालना चाहते थे ब्लेम कि आखिरकार गाड़ी वो चला रहा था, तो उसको लेकर अब बताया जा रहा है कि एक दूसरा केस है जो पुणे पुलिस की तरफ से दर्ज किया गया है.
तो उसको क्या है, अब इनने रोक के रखा होगा कि अपने बयान ना दे, मैं जैसा बोलूं वैसा बयान दे. तो पुलिस जब झूठा बयान दे तो पुलिस पूरी इंक्वायरी करेगी ना
जी.
अब खबर तो ये फैल गई थी कि मेरा बेटा बेगुनाह है, कि वो तो ड्राइवर गाड़ी चला रहा था. अरे ड्राइवर चला रहा होता तो किसी फुटेज में तो दिखता, बाहर के सामने गाड़ी से उतरा हुआ कहीं तो दिखाई देता कि ड्राइवर कम से कम साथ में है. साथ में होता तो ये मान लेते कि हाँ वो चला रहा होगा। जब साथ में ही नहीं है और आप पुलिस को गुमराह कर रहे हैं कि वो गाड़ी वो चला रहा था, तो वो गलत हुआ ना, एकदम टोटली गलत हुआ। अरे कम से कम किसी वकील से सलाह ले लेते कि मैं ऐसा बोल दूं कि नहीं बोल दूं। वैसे तो उनके वकील ने सलाह दिया होगा कि बोल देना ड्राइवर चला रहा था। अरे सबूत भी तो चाहिए, चला रहा था कि नहीं चला रहा था
जी,
सबूत भी चाहिए ना। आप जो बोल रहे हैं उसका सबूत भी चाहिए, तो कम से कम वकील से पूछ लेते। या वकील को इतना दिमाग नहीं है कि हम क्या बयान दिलवा दें।
चलिए सुरेश जी, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद हमसे बातचीत करने के लिए। ही इज वन ऑफ द विक्टिम्स फादर देयर, एंड as far as the entire investigation is concerned, because now both of the FIRs in the Pune case, we are told, has been transferred to the crime branch. Earlier the minors case that was being investigated by the Yerwada police, and the cover-up case involving his father was being investigated by crime branch, and according to the Pune police, there was an attempt made by the minors accused father to pin the blame on the accident on the family driver, a case that has been registered against the father for tampering with evidence and destroying evidence as well. Meanwhile, Times Now also had a word with the eyewitnesses and the complainant in this case, Aqib Mullah, who has confirmed that it was the boy in black t-shirt who was behind the wheels and not the driver.
लेकिन आपने गाड़ी पे ड्राइविंग सीट पे कौन था उसको देखा आपने?
भी वहाँ के जो लोकल है जो प्रेजेंट थे, और जिस हिसाब से मैंने ऐसे देखा तो ब्लैक शर्ट वाला लड़का था, इतना मेरे को सुनने में आया है, तो उसी हिसाब से अभी चल रहा है।
There is another eyewitness who was present at the time of the accident, and he's also come forward and detailed exactly what he witnessed.
आम्ही नागपूरचे, मी रिक्षा चालवतो. रिक्षा चालवत असताना आम्ही काय शनिवारी तिथं सगळे सॅटर्डे नाईट असल्यामुळे सगळं व्यवसाय म्हणजे रिक्षावाल्यांचा त्या साईडला असतो, बस सुटतात रात्री, म्हणून आम्ही त्या साईडला होतो. आणि बरोबर जस्ट एक्झॅक्ट समोर माझी रिक्षा पार्क करून थांबलो होतो. थांबल्यानंतर आहे ना सर तिथं समोरनं काहीतरी ट्रॅफिक वाढलं होतं, तर मी ट्रॅफिक सॉल्व करण्यासाठी समोर जसं रस्ता क्रॉस करत होतो तर गाडी मला एवढ्या जोरात क्रॉस करून गेली ना, तर आम्हाला ती गाडी दिसली नाही, कोणती गाडी नाही. सरळ जाऊन त्यांनी ना गाडी उडवली. आम्ही जसं बघितलं की वरती वाऱ्यात मुलगी हवेत उडाल्यानंतर ती खाली कोसळली ना, तर आम्ही तिथपर्यंत पोहोचलो मुलीचे आणि ते मुलाचे, ऑलरेडी ते रक्त चाललं होतं. त्यानंतर पुढं ती गाडी जाऊन थांबली होती. एअरबॅग उघडल्यानंतर ती थांबली ना, तर आम्ही तिथं पोहोचूच तो रे ना तिथल्या मुलांनी जे जमवला होता त्यांनी त्या तिघांना बाहेर काढलं होतं. आम्ही तिथं पोहोचूच तो ते दोघांना खूप मारायचं चालू केलं होतं. मग आम्ही जाऊन तिथे गेलो ना मारण्याच्या जागेवर, तर ते लोक म्हणत होते की आम्हाला मारू नका, तुम्हाला किती पैसा पाहिजे आम्ही द्यायला तयार.
What also raises questions is the delay in the collection of blood samples. The crash that took place around 2:30 a.m. but the boy's blood alcohol test that was conducted hours later around 11 a.m. which is 8 hours later. The second sample that was taken around 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. which means that there was delay of another 6 to 7 hours. But the Pune police tried to downplay this delay, saying that the blood report doesn't hold much significance as the accused was apparently in full senses.
त्याचे विषयी आवश्यक एव्हिडन्स आणि ते एव्हिडन्स टेक्निकल एव्हिडन्स आणि त्या प्रकरणात कोणी एव्हिडन्स नाश करायची प्रयत्न केला का, हे सर्व गोष्टीवर ते एसीपी दर्जाचे अधिकारी त्या प्रकरणाची तपास करत आहे. की ही पूर्णपणे इन सेन्सेस यांचे करून ही कंडक्ट झालेली आहे, जे कल्पेबल होमिसाइड नॉट अमाउंटिंग टू मर्डर आहे, ज्यामध्ये 10 वर्षाची शिक्षा आणि नॉन बेलेबल स्वरूपाचे केस आहे. की त्या काळात काही घटनाक्रम जेनेवर ड्रायव्हर बदलण्याची प्रयत्न करण्यात आली होती, ही गोष्टी समोर आलेली आहे. माननीय आमदार महोदय जे पब्लिक रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह आहे ते पोलीस स्टेशनला आले होते का, ते पोलीस स्टेशनला आले होते, ही इट इज अ मॅटर ऑफ रेकॉर्ड, इट इज अ मॅटर ऑफ फॅक्ट, यामध्ये कोणताही दोन मत नाही है.
All right, that's the police commissioner's point of view as far as the ongoing investigation is concerned. But this is a massive development that is now taking place as far as the minor's grandfather is now concerned. He has now been arrested.